In front of me is ULEFONE Power 3S, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the contact list. Now select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. So it can be this one. Tap on edit icon and then tap on camera. And you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. So let me choose photo and pick the album in which you've got the photo that you would like to apply to this contact. In my case it will be this one. You can customize it now, make it bigger or smaller, it's up to you. Let me, for example, make it this way, then tap on done and confirmation mark to save the changes. And from now on, once this number will be called on you, you'll be able to see this profile picture. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.